Hello students, welcome back to your online classes, and today we will start with the topic our needs and wants. Read the following and decide whether the item you shop for is a need or want. Write N for need or W for want in the box, okay? Number 1, you can see your socks are torn and your mom buys you a new pair. That means your socks is already torn, okay? So now this is your need. You have to buy because you need no socks. So this one is need. So you have to write here N, okay? As I have written in the book, you have to write N. Number 2, it's a warm afternoon and you buy an ice cream. Now it's an warm afternoon, okay? So you buy an ice cream. That is not need, no? It doesn't mean that you have to eat ice cream. So this one is your want, okay? This one is not need but want. So you have to write here W. Third is mother has a tummy ache. She asks you to buy medicine. So now mother is having stomach ache and she tells you to buy medicine. So this one is need, okay? Because she is sick. So she needs to take medicine. So you have to write here N. On your birthday, you request for a basketball and hoop. And in your birthday, you ask someone to give you a basketball and a hoop as a gift, okay? So is this your need? This is not your need. This is your want, okay? So you have to write here W. Father drives to the petrol station to fill up the car with fuel. So father goes to the petrol station to fill up the car with fuel, okay? So this one is need. Otherwise, if there is no petrol, what happens? The vehicle won't run. So this one is need. So you have to write here N. Next exercise is you go to the market. What are the items you will put in your basket? Write how many items are needed and how many you want from the following items. And you have gone to the market and you can see those are the items you bought, okay? You bought and put it in your basket. So from here you have to choose what are the items that are needed, okay? And what are the items that you want. You have to, in one side you have to write the need items and next side you have to write the want items, okay? So from here, what are the needed items? Frock, notebook, pencil, shirt and soap. These are the needed items. And the items which you want. These are butter, car, then lace, then mango and cold drinks, okay? Next is how things work, okay? How these things work. Whatever the pictures whatever the pictures you can see here, how does these things work, okay? Let's see. Shown here is a hair dryer. It is used for drying wet hair. When it is switched on, how does it dry the hair? So you can see the hair dryer, okay? And this dryer is used for drying wet hair. And when this dryer is switched on, and how does it dry the hair? The options are given here. A. It sprays oil. B. It blows hot air. And C. It sprays hot water. So the right answer is it blows hot air. Number 2. Shown here is a microwave oven and you can see it in the picture. There is the picture of microwave oven. It is used for cooking and baking food, and this microwave oven is used to cook and bake food, okay? When it is switched on, how does it cook food? And when we switch on this microwave oven, then how does it cook food? And options you see, it uses gas to cook, it blows hot air, it uses electricity to produce it. So the right option is it uses electricity to produce heat. Third, put a pinch of salt on top of an ice cube and leave it in a cold place for 10 minutes. What happens? It becomes harder, it melts quickly, changes to a gas. Answer is it melts quickly. Place a white flour into water and add any color to the water. What will happen after 20 to 30 minutes? So, you have to put a white flour into water, okay, and in that you have to add color to the water. So after 20 to 30 minutes, what changes do you find? You have to write, okay. Option: the flour changes color, the flour will die, the water becomes colorless. The answer is the flour changes color. Where would you find the pistil, petal and stamen? In flower, where would you find the pistil, petal and stamen? Books, flowers, animal body. We will find it in flowers. What is advanced information on weather called? Options: weather casting, weather forecasting, weather checking. Weather forecasting is advanced information on weather, okay. Next, sources of electricity, okay. Electricity comes from where? Which is the source that electricity comes, okay. So, children, have you ever imagined how electricity that runs electrical appliances at our home and school is produced? Children, have you imagined that how electricity runs electrical appliances at our home and school is produced? Let us learn about different electricity production plants. So here we will learn about different electricity production plants. That means from where this electricity produces, okay. We will learn about that. Number 1 is hydropower plant. In this type of plant, electricity is generated by hydropower, which means the use of energy of falling water. So, in this hydropower plant, electricity is generated, okay, produced from hydropower, okay. Hydropower means the use of energy of falling water, like you can see it in the picture like this. Okay, thermal power plant. In this type of plant, electricity is generated by burning coal, and in this thermal power plant, electricity is produced when the coal is burned, okay, burnt. Wind turbine electricity generator. In this type of plant, electricity is generated by the use of mechanical power of wind, and in this wind turbine electricity generator, electricity is produced by the use of mechanical power of wind. Mechanical power of wind means when wind blows past a wind turbine, its blade capture the winds, okay. This blade capture the winds, and that time what happens? This kinetic energy rotates. When this blade captures the winds, that time kinetic energy, this one rotate, and this kinetic energy is changes into mechanical energy, okay. Solar system. In this type of system, electricity is generated by solar or sun energy, and in solar power system, electricity is produced by solar energy. Solar energy means is simply the light and heat that come from the sun, okay. Solar energy is simply the light and heat that come from the sun. Gas turbine power plant. In this type of power plant, gas is used for generating electricity, and in this gas turbine power plant, gas is generated produced from electricity, okay. Nuclear power station. In this type of plant, nuclear energy is used for generating electricity, and in this nuclear power station, nuclear energy is produced for generating electricity. Okay, nuclear energy means nuclear energy is the energy stored inside an atom, okay, by the forces the nucleus that hold together of the atom. Okay, so next is incredible inventions. Incredible means impossible to believe, okay, unbelievable. And incredible inventions means creation or origination. Okay, inventions means origination. We use various machines and tools in our daily life. In our daily life we use different types of machines and tools. Okay, do you know who invented them? And here the question is asking that do you know who created all these various machines and tools which we are using in our daily life. Okay, so let's know about them by matching the machines with their inventors. Now we have to match the machines with their inventors. Okay, inventions and inventors. So number 1 is aeroplane. Who invented aeroplane? Answer is Wright brothers. Okay. Number 2, mobile phone, Martin Cooper. Number 3, ballpoint pen, Johann J. Loud and Laszlo Biro. Okay. Number 4, electric bulb, Thomas Edison. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Car, Carl Benz. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Okay. Then number 8, radium, Marie and Pierre Curie. Number 9, penicillin, Alexander Fleming. Number 10, safety razor, King C. Gillette. Number 11, television, Johann Logie Baird. Okay. Number 12, tire, J.B. Dunlop. So next is scientific instruments. We make use of innumerable scientific instruments, and innumerable means uncountable, which we cannot count. Okay, we use innumerable scientific instruments. These instruments make our work easier. So when we use these scientific instruments, it makes our work easier. Okay, match the following scientific instruments with their function. So we have to write these, we have to match these scientific instruments with their functions. Means these scientific instruments are here, and what does this scientific instrument do? So we have to match here. Okay, balance. What is the function of balance? To measure weight. Okay, number B option, measures weight. Microscope, magnifies small objects. Thermometer, measures temperature. Spring scale, measures mass. Binoculars and telescope, reveals data of far away object. Computers, organizes data and makes graph. Stopwatch, measures time. And the last one, ruler, measures length or distance. So what you have to do is, whatever I have explained today, you have to do all the works in your books. Okay, and these answers I will send you through WhatsApp. Thank you.